Hi, my name's AJ. I'm a Student Success Advisor here at Boise State for our online programs, and this is Coach Tip Tuesday. When you submit your application to Boise State, we send you an email that's got some login information. It'll have a username and a student number that you'll use to create a password to be able to log in and access your online student account called My Boise State. Inside this account, you'll be able to look at a lot of information, and that includes having access to your new student email address, which we call BroncoMail. The university sends a lot of important information to that email, so you'll want to make sure that you're checking that frequently, or at least set it up so that it forwards those emails to another email address that you may check frequently, so that you're not missing out on any information. Thanks for joining me today. This has been Coach Tip Tuesday. Join us next week for another tip.